Hey friends, welcome back to Baci Learnland. I'm Baci. Whoa, look at this puzzle. Today we're going to learn a lot of animal ocean vocabulary. And we're going to learn letters, there's sounds, and even some numbers and colors too. All right, let's get started. Let's look for this first animal. I'll give you a clue. It's an animal that is colored in orange and yellow. Can you find animal number 1? Yes, look, this is a seahorse. Seahorse starts with the letter S. The S sounds like S, like in seahorse. Whoa. All right, the seahorse is yellow and orange. Okay, let's go to animal number 2. Animal number 2 is the one under the seahorse. Do you know what animal that can be? Good guess. All right, this animal is blue, dark blue, and it has some white. Do you know who animal number 2 is? Yes, look, it's the whale. This whale is dark blue and it has some white. Whale begins with a W. The W sounds like wh, like in whale. Whoa, nice work. Who is animal number 3? The animal number 3 is the one under the whale. Who can it be? I'll give you a clue. It's a brown colored animal. Animal number 3 is a brown colored animal. Do you know who it is? Yes, look. It's the walrus. This is a walrus. Oh, walrus begins with a W. The W sounds like W, like in walrus, right? This walrus, fits just like that. Nice. Ooh, who should we go look for now? Animal number 4 is going to be beside the seahorse. Oh, who can it be? I'll give you a clue. This ocean animal is mostly in yellow. Who can it be? Animal number 4, where are you? Yes, it's a starfish. The starfish is mostly in yellow. It has some white and some orange on it, but it's a starfish. Oh, starfish starts with the letter S. A letter S sounds like S, like starfish. There he goes. But it doesn't quite fit. Let's rotate it. Whoa, good fit. That was animal number 4. So after 4 comes the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The animal number 5. Who are you? We're going to go beside the starfish. Who can it be? Let's take a look. Oh, this animal is gray in color with some white. Be careful, they have sharp teeth. Who can it be? Of course, animal number 5 is a shark. Look, this is a shark. Ooh, I don't know which letter of the alphabet shark begins with. Of course, it's a digraph where 2 letters go together and it makes a new sound. The letters that are beginning and the word shark are S and H. S and H make the sh sound. Whoa! Let's put the shark there. Oh, well done, friends. We found animal number 5. Animal number 6. We can find you. Let's look for the animal that is under the shark. I'll give you a clue. Under the shark is animal number 6. Animal number 6 is a fish. It's yellow. Oh, it's orange and white. Oh, I made a mistake, but that's okay. I corrected myself and I tried again. All right, so it's a fish that is in orange and white. Where is this fish? It's a clownfish. There it is. Gloop, gloop, gloop. This is animal number 6. It's orange and white with some black too. Fish. Oh, fish starts with the letter F. The F sounds like F. Yeah, like in the word fish. Let's put that right there. Let's see who's next. Animal number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is under the starfish and the fish And even the whale, who can it be? I'll give you a clue. It's a light blue colored animal with some white. It's a dolphin. There's the dolphin. Shh. Dolphin starts with the letter D. The D sounds like D. There goes the dolphin. Good fit, my friends. Ooh, what if we go under that fish? Who can it be? Right there. Yes, did you notice? It's a red colored animal. Yes, it's the red crab. The red crab is the next animal. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Animal number 8 is a crab. Look at that. It's a red crab. Crab. Crab starts with the letter C. The letter C sounds like k, like a crab. Oh, but it doesn't fit. How about we move it? Let's rotate it. There's the crab. Whoa, we found so many that it's starting to get heavy. Okay, we have animal number 8. Animal number 9 is going to be beside the crab. It looks like it's a wavy animal. Who can it be? It's in green, of course. Take a look. This is our next animal. Let's count the animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 9. It's a sea snake. Yes, it is. All right. Can you say sea snake? Sea snake starts with a S. The letter S sounds like S, like in sea and snake. Way to go. Fits perfectly. All right. The next animal is going to go right here in between. Who can it be? I'll give you a clue. It's an orange colored animal. Yes, this is a clam. Wow, clam. Which number are you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're fitting animal number 10. It's a clam. The clam is number 10. Clam. Clam is a blend. When we put two letters together and they mix together, but they say their own sounds. Clam. K-l. Oh, C and L. Let's keep going. All right, where is the next one? Of course, let's go for the one under here. It looks like it's a green colored animal. Yes, okay, animal number, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Who can it be? It's a green colored animal and it's a dark green and a light green. Who is it? It's a turtle. Turtle starts with a T sound. Do you know what letter that is? It's a letter T. T for turtle. Turtle. Let's put that back. Last but not least, we have one more animal. Who can it be? That's an easy one. It's a purple colored animal. And this is animal number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is a sea lion. It's a purple sea lion. Sea lion begins with a S sound. That's the letter S. Yes, S, sea lion. Yes, we found the way it fits. Thank you so much for playing with me and helping me find all 12 sea animals. And there's many more adventures, and I hope to see you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.